Do you offer same-day or emergency after builder's cleans?
Yes, we understand that renovations rarely go to plan, and sometimes you need a last-minute emergency clean before handing over to a buyer or tenant, hosting a last-minute gathering or event, moving back in after unexpected delays, having an urgent real estate or valuation inspection. We offer flexible scheduling and can often accommodate same-day or next-day bookings, especially within Melbourne metro areas. Our team is trained to mobilize quickly and deliver rapid, high-quality results under pressure. Keep in mind, for last-minute or same-day cleaning, availability depends on team logistics. But if we can help, we will. Pro tip, if you have an urgent situation, call us directly. We'll prioritize your request and do everything possible to assist, even if it means working after hours.